After a long day at work and all the responsibilities that come with taking care of a family, the absolute last thing I want to do is spend my evenings over a hot stove and weekends at the grocery store. So after looking for a healthier and more affordable option than takeout, I started exploring my options with delivery meal kit services. Over the years, I've tried a few different options, but my personal favorite has been HelloFresh. So for today's video, I'll be sharing my personal experience with HelloFresh after being a subscriber for a few months now. Like what kind of meals we got, what it's like to prep and cook the meals, and what I liked about them. So you can decide if HelloFresh is the right solution to make mealtime easier. If you want to check out anything I mentioned today for yourself, there are affiliate links in the description. Using them, I earn a commission at no added cost to you, which does really help support the channel. Now, let's get into it. Alright, so if you're not too familiar with HelloFresh, it's a meal kit delivery service that sends pre-measured ingredients with easy-to-follow recipes right to your doorstep. You get to choose how many meals you want each week and pick your favorites from a rotating menu. Then, once you make your selections, everything shows up in a chilled box, ready to cook. Now, I'll admit, I'd been holding off on trying HelloFresh for way too long. I was using another brand at the time, but I was genuinely curious to see if the food would actually be good. Like, I get that it's supposed to be fresh and all, but part of me expected it to be kind of bland or basic. Anyway, I thought, worst case scenario, I hate it and never use it again. So I went on ahead and placed an order for my first box with HelloFresh. Now, the first thing I had to do to get started was select a plan and choose how many meals I wanted delivered each week. 2, 3, 4, whatever, depending on how often I feel like cooking. Then, once that was set, I picked out my meals from their weekly rotating menu. And there's usually a good variety, from quick comfort food to veggie options or slightly more adventurous stuff. And one thing I like about HelloFresh is that the boxes show up like clockwork on the delivery day you choose. Everything comes in an insulated package with ice packs, so even if it sits outside for a few hours, it's still fine. And you don't have to babysit the delivery or panic if you're not home the second it arrives. They also put a great deal of effort into the packaging side of things. Most of it is either recyclable or compostable, and they clearly label what goes where. The ice packs they include can also be reused or emptied and recycled. Plus, HelloFresh takes care to offset their carbon emissions, which is great if you're big on sustainability. Then, as far as the meals themselves, most of them take about 30 minutes to make, and a few of them are even quicker. They even have some ready-made options that you can just heat up in the microwave, which I tried out of curiosity, and surprisingly, they weren't bad. Plus, while it's pretty rare that these kinds of services let you make changes on short notice, HelloFresh lets you make updates anytime through their website or app. So swapping meals, skipping a week, or even canceling is super easy. It's not one of those sites that makes you call a customer service line just to take a break or let them know you're out of town. So in my experience, I've found everything to be really simple and straightforward. And so far, introducing HelloFresh into my routine a couple times a week has actually taken a lot of the stress out of figuring out what to make for dinner. So let's shift gears a bit and get into their pricing. Because when I first looked into HelloFresh, I expected it to be one of those things that looks affordable until you hit the checkout page. But surprisingly, it's really not bad, especially if you're comparing it to how much you usually spend on takeout or random grocery store runs. So for an average setup of 2 people doing about 4 meals a week, it comes out to around $11 a meal. But they usually have deals, meaning it can actually come down to around $6 per serving, which I think is pretty manageable. Now, what's nice about HelloFresh is that the pricing doesn't change based on which type of meal plan you pick, whether you go with veggie, low-calorie, pescatarian, or their under 20-minute options. It all follows the same structure. And if you want to take a closer look at any of these, I've stuck our affiliate link in the description below. Using these, we do earn a commission, but it doesn't cost you a cent more and helps support the channel. Now, I've been using HelloFresh as my main meal service for the past few months, and having tried out many similar services, I'd honestly say that it's one of the better ones out there. First off, the ingredient quality really surprised me. I didn't have really high expectations, but everything has shown up super fresh and nicely packed. The box always comes chilled with ice packs and those insulated liners, so even if I don't grab it right away, nothing gets spoiled. Now, not everything is organic, which might be a deal breaker for some folks, but for me, just having exactly what I need and no sad decaying veggies going bad in my fridge feels like a win. And as for flavor, I'll just say some of these recipes make me feel like I can actually cook. Now, the step-by-step cards are super clear, so it's pretty hard to mess anything up, but I've managed to impress myself with the dishes I've been able to put together. I've made firecracker meatballs, polenta with zucchini carrot ragu, and a coconut chicken curry that had me thinking, wait, this came from my kitchen. So most of the dishes have a lot of flavor. Even the quick ones taste way better than they had any right to. But they can't all be winners. A couple of their sauces were a little underwhelming, but I've still found the meals I've made with HelloFresh better than the ones I've whipped up with most of the services that are out there. And there's a good amount of flexibility. I tried a few of their fit and wholesome meals, and they were actually satisfying without feeling like, diet food. The veggie options were better than I expected, and weren't just underwhelming lettuce bowls. I got some decent protein with roasted chickpeas and halloumi, which helped add some variety. If you're into seafood though, just know the pescatarian choices can feel a little repetitive. I saw a lot of salmon, like a lot. So I'd recommend taking a look at some of the other plans they offer, if you ever feel like mixing things up. Now, another thing I appreciate about HelloFresh is their great customer service. I had a box where a garlic clove was missing. No big deal, but I decided to reach out and got a credit almost immediately. Plus, canceling or skipping a week is also super easy. You don't get stuck in some never-ending cancellation loop with a labyrinth of emails. The only time it got a little annoying was when I tried to call them and there was a bit of a wait, but honestly, I ended up handling everything through the app anyway. So, all things considered, would I recommend HelloFresh? Yeah, absolutely. Especially if you're someone who likes the idea of home-cooked meals but doesn't want to deal with the planning and shopping. It's easy, the food's good, and the variety keeps it from getting boring. Sure, it's not perfect. Some meals are better than others, and it's not the cheapest option out there. But for the time and stress it saves me, I think it's totally worth it. But if you still want to explore other meal kit options before making your pick, let's take a quick look at how HelloFresh stacks up against one of its main competitors, Green Chef. I've tried both, so I've gotten a pretty decent sense of how they compare. And while they're both top quality meal services, there are a few key differences that might help you decide between one or the other. For instance, when it comes to variety, HelloFresh definitely wins. Their menu is massive, like over 100 recipes a week. Plus, they also feature a bunch of extras like snacks, desserts, and sides if you want to order any add-ons. Green Chef, on the other hand, had a bit smaller selection, but their lineup is very health conscious, with turkey, chicken, and salmon being some of the proteins in the recipes. Their add-ons are more green, so yeah, no chocolate lava cake here. But the meals are flavorful for sure, but the selection can feel kind of exotic if you're just looking for a quick dinner or have picky eaters to please. And when it comes to ease of use, both HelloFresh and Green Chef Aim to make the cooking process as easy to follow as possible. The recipes are easy to follow with accurate cooking times, so you don't end up burning something while scrolling on your phone. So the best option really boils down to what you prioritize while you're cooking. If you value convenience, variety, and comforting meals that pretty much cook themselves, then HelloFresh is my top pick. It's perfect for busy weeks, picky eaters, or anyone trying to dodge takeout. On the flip side, if you're maybe planning a date night or just enjoy following a chef-inspired recipe step by step, then Green Chef offers a little bit more complexity along with a unique flair. Both services bring quality ingredients with convenient deliveries right to your home. But as far as my lifestyle and the type of dishes I want to make, I think HelloFresh has been the right choice for me. So honestly, my experience with HelloFresh has been pretty impressive. Going in, I thought it was too good to be true, with depressing meals that look like TV dinners, or ingredients that were half rotten. But that couldn't be any further from the truth. Every week, I'd get a nice variety of fresh ingredients, and an easy way to plan mealtime. And while it's not perfect, to avoid the extra trips to the grocery store and lengthy cook time, it's absolutely worth trying. Life is busy enough. Let dinner be one less stressor on your plate, and keep meal planning easier with HelloFresh. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like this. There are new videos coming out all the time. And of course, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered down below. If you use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, but it does help us make more videos for you to enjoy. So thank you for supporting the channel. Now, as always, I love hearing from you guys. So please drop your questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.